Mihango ya uthuthuria wigie ngukumio ya kigiina kia muingi ruhonge-ini rwa wendia na uguri wa dawa bururi-ini rwa KEMSA ni ithire na mbere cikaro-ini cia mbunge kuria kamiti igie kunyabara uhuthiri na wigithia wa kigiina kia muingi PIC ithurimire aira makiria na aria kambuni ciao ciaheirwo kandarathi cia kwendia indo itiganite ruhonge-ini ruru na njira ya ngungo. Aithio Onyango uria niwe mwene kambuni ya Kilig na iria yahetwo kandarathi ya ciringi bilioni 4 gutwara indo itiganite cia kuhurana na COVID-19 ruhonge-ini rwa KEMSA niageire na ihinda iritu mbere ya kamiti ino thutha wa kungathia kuhithuria maritwa ma aria mandikithitio akaunti-ini cia kambuni ino ona thengia wa guthing'iririo eke uguo ni ambunge kamiti-ini ino.
I'm afraid I don't have those details with me, but I'm open to any questions that come if I can answer them. Alternatively,
the question that the honourable member had asked you is very simple. What are the bank accounts of Kilig? You cannot tell me that you are about to do business worth about 4 billion shillings and you do not know where your bank accounts are. And you're the sole shareholder. And you do not know who the signatories of those bank accounts are.
You are not making full disclosure to this committee, and you are confirming my fears now.
Mr. Vice Chairman, how am I not disclosing? What have I not disclosed?
Ni kuumana na ngucanio gatagati gake na ambunge ya thutha wa kungathia kuheana uhoro mukinyaniru ucungiriirie marakara kuma kuri ambunge na aria mamugwetire ta gukorwo ari muhinga munene uthuthuria-ini uyu kumana na mutugo wake wa kwaga kuheana uhoro gukuma mwathire gugekinyia mbere ya kamiti ino kiumia giukite ari na anja cia ciuria iria ngathirie gucokio muthi.
It is in that road, you know, if you go to Upper Hill, you know where that thing passes. Surely.
Mr. Chairman, just to avoid that instance, kindly allow me, the same way, kindly allow me to give an accurate answer. Because
give us the answer. Give us the answer. Who are the signatories?
I don't have the answers with me now.
You seem to be having some people outside this room that are more important to you than this committee. That's the tragedy of it. Because you keep telling us that you're going to consult, you have to take instructions, there is what privileges, and you're being asked questions when you are a director.
This is nothing to be gone to be looked outside and whatever. It's only that she does not want to answer to us. And I think, Chair, it's good we conclude with her. If she'll still want to come and be given more right of reply to these questions, maybe she will. But it's also good, Chairman, to know that we've really taken a lot of time with this issue of the COVID billionaires. And I may call them that because we are working with the billions of tenders with the people who do not want to disclose the information.
Kwa ihinda munini wa muikariri giti kiama-ini kia Jubilee David Murathe akoretwo agikuruhanio na kambuni ino ya Kilig, undu uria wamucungiriirie nginya kuhungwo mahuru-ini kamiti ya kuhurana na ngukumio EACC na akihinyiriria we ndari aruta biacara o yothe na ruhonge rwa KEMSA noguo agikuruhania undu uyu ta gukorwo akihurwo bara ni thu ciake cia kiuteti.
And you still have some people outside these rooms. I told you before that you can go down with them if you wish, but you can also have an opportunity to redeem yourselves. But if you are together with those people outside this room, then you will go down with them.
Hau kabere aive ni akuhithuriirie kamiti ino atiendeirio kambuni ino ni Collins Wanjala uria ni murio wa mbunge wa Budalangi Rafael Wanjala na uria ni mumemba wa kamiti ino ya PIC gwa thogora wa ciringi 10,000 mwaka-ini wa 2019. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.